Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a Lunc daily update. We are going to see the next price target. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription pattern / Mind Your Crypto. You're going to take easy profits, trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos. Choose the best tire for you and you won't regret it. Let's go right now to see Lunc against USDT chart. So in the 1 hour frame, what are we having? Can this be a bull flag? I've been questioning many things right here whenever I see this kind of bull flag, because yeah, it could be bull flag, right? But I'm always waiting, and this is why I insist to wait for it too. Perhaps if we go above the trend line right here, then it is very possible that we have a little bit more of a push to the short term. However, as you can see, in the last 4 hours from when I made the video yesterday, we have only corrected. Okay, we have gone a little bit sideways, correcting right here at -4%, holding right now for the time being the 50-day moving average, which this is good. However, we need to see a little bit more price action, because right here the things on Lunc do not look so good, right? Okay, I'm telling you that because I do not want you to get trapped into a situation like this one right here. Look at that, many people had bought right here and then eventually it's starting dropping down, and you should be having tons of patience to hold right here and then selling in a profit target. This is what patience is all about. Okay, patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Now, for Lunc against USDT chart right here, what do we have and what can we hope for? You can see that before we just found resistance level in this line in the logarithmic scale. If I didn't have the logarithmic scale, you can see that we found around 0.382, around 0.382 on the logarithmic scale as well. And you can see that this was the line that split the chart between the bullish one and the bearish one that we are in right now. So if we do not close above this line right here, the 0.3011005, then Lunc will be dropping more. Okay, just hear me out on this. Lunc is going to drop even more, and it's going to go further down. Okay, now Lunc could be making something like this one right here, dropping down right there, going back to the 0.409536, maybe retesting this level. For the time being, we have the 20-day MA as our support level, but it is not something that we are having it and we are saying, oh, we are perfectly fine. Okay, you should be a little bit careful now that we have the 20-day EMA as a support level right here. Okay, and you can see that the 20-day MA is a huge support level, but it is also quite easily to break to. And I think that as long as I made the videos before, I think that Lunc is going to get further down into the next support levels. Okay, I think that Lunc won't be able to form right here the bull flag that we are forming quite a bit. You can see that this could be a bull flag, yeah, but at this time right now, maybe we have a little bit of a buying pressure in the lower time frames. What we can see right now is maybe that Lunc could be potentially going a little bit higher, okay, but nothing special. I do not think that this will be something like, for example, going all the way up higher than the 0.3011. Now, if we go above and close above the 0.3011, then you should be longing the Lunc into the next target, which will be around here. Okay, around this area will be the next resistance level that Lunc will go after this one, and maybe even touching some higher resistance levels that we will be explaining after. The general idea about Lunc is that it still remains bearish. The sentiment is bearish, and this is why you need to be extremely careful about. Sentiment is a little bit bearish, and I think that Lunc is going to drop down more. Eventually, many people have bought at this top. Look at what beautiful fake out that was. This candlestick right here with 48% was a beautiful full fake out, so that more people will get trapped right here, and eventually then we have the correction. And I think that the lower low pattern, lower high will keep going for the next few days and for the next maybe few weeks, but we are going to see that. I'm not sure about the few weeks, but for the next few days, yeah, it's quite I'm quite optimistic that we are going to make the lower low, lower high pattern, continue to have the lower low, lower high pattern. On the 4 hour frame right here, things are looking okay, they are not looking the greatest, they are not looking the worst. I think that maybe we could be seeing one more slight pump, but this would be nothing as we talked about before. Okay, so do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.